might be of interest to some Google Gemini users. And so that is the ability to recall past chats. The question is, how do you do it? And so let's see, I am going to go to the release updates page first for Gemini Advanced. And this is from February 12th, 2025. Today is February 15th, so that was 3 days ago. And it basically says priority access with Gemini Advanced. Ask Gemini to look back at past chats for more tailored help. And let's see if it gives us a prompt. I don't think it does, but it says starting today, you can now use your past chats. And it says you're in control, so you can review. So this is just a reminder that you can review, delete chat history as you feel fits your personal privacy needs. If you want to look at your history, you can go to My Activity, and that's where you can delete some of it, but you can also delete it in the chats. Okay, and this experience is starting to roll out in English for Gemini Advanced subscribers via Google One AI Premium plan. And then it also says, why are they rolling this out? Basically because they understand that conversations change and ideas evolve, and sometimes you want to revisit those conversations to enhance your knowledge and to discuss things with Gemini. There's another page, the Google blog, and so that's blog.google. And basically this one also says really the same thing, that this feature is rolling out in English for Google Gemini Advanced subscribers. It says that it's on the web and for the mobile app. And then let me see, I think that's pretty much all this says. But it is one of the main sources. And then the Google release updates is also another official Google source, but none of them really say how to prompt Gemini to do it. All right, so we're going to jump into Google. I do have Gemini Advanced. I'm on 2.0 right now. And then there are some other options here, so I might try this one in a second, but it shouldn't change. I think Google Flash 2.0 is the best one. And I will just say, do you recall any chat history, about math? Let's see what it does. All right, so it does. It says it recalls several conversations about math, and it mentions what we've discussed. And then if I scroll down here, it actually gives me 3 of those chats. And so I can click on these and I can figure it out. So let's do this one and see what it says. Sure, I can help with that. So I think I gave it a formula and asked it to explain it. I think this is like the complement bar, maybe? I'm not sure. And since you haven't specified the context or field, it'll provide solutions for 2 common interpretations of the overline. And then so it goes into what it discussed, and it breaks it down. Kind of cool with the little matrix. And so this is one of the things that we discussed. And so let me go back here and let me do this other previous chat and see what this one was. So if the width is diagonal is 75 and the width is 67, then the height is, and then so it gives me the Pythagorean theorem so I can figure this out. And so it says, let's see what the answer is. I don't remember this one, but I think, here you go, 33 inches. I think I was trying to figure out the height of a TV that we were getting ready to mount. All right, so let's try one more. And so let's see, do you recall any chat history about DJI? Let's see, that was a more recent one, so let's see what happens. It says it found a conversation, it was yesterday, I can't remember. We were trying to troubleshoot mic streaming issues. All right, so it does work. I do think that it's still hit or miss. I've tried a couple that didn't work earlier, but it seems like it's picking up speed a little bit, and it seems like a pretty cool feature. I hope you get to enjoy it. Thank you. I will see you later. Bye-bye.